Sunforest Enterprises Furniture Factory, crafting your vision into timeless pieces. At Sunforest Enterprises Furniture Factory, we believe furniture is more than just functional, it's a reflection of your style, story, and the moments that make a house a home. Whether you're furnishing a cozy apartment, a sprawling office, or a unique commercial space, our team of skilled artisans and design experts is here to turn your ideas into handcrafted realities. Why choose Sunforest for your custom furniture? 1. Tailored to your exact needs. No two spaces are alike, and neither should your furniture be. We don't just offer one-size-fits-all solutions, we collaborate with you to design pieces that fit your space, lifestyle, and aesthetic perfectly. From custom dimensions to unique finishes, fabrics, and materials, every detail is chosen with your vision in mind. Need a sectional sofa that curves around a bay window? We'll measure, sketch, and build it to precision. Dreaming of a dining table that seats 12 for family gatherings? We'll source the finest wood and craft it to your preferred style, modern, rustic, industrial, or classic. Looking for office furniture that blends functionality with brand identity? Our team designs ergonomic desks, storage solutions, and reception pieces that align with your workspace goals. 2. Quality craftsmanship that lasts. For over 10 years, we've built our reputation on uncompromising quality. Each piece of furniture leaving our factory is handcrafted by skilled artisans who take pride in their work, using time-tested techniques paired with modern innovation. We source only the finest materials, sustainable hardwoods, oak, walnut, maple, premium fabrics, durable metals, and eco-friendly finishes to ensure your furniture stands the test of time, both in beauty and durability. 3. End-to-end design support. Not sure where to start? Our design consultants are with you every step of the way. Initial consultation, we listen to your ideas, assess your space, and discuss your budget and timeline. Design prototyping, we create detailed sketches, 3D renderings, or even small-scale prototypes so you can visualize the final piece before production begins. Production quality checks, our team oversees every stage of crafting, from cutting and joining to finishing, with rigorous quality checks to ensure perfection. Delivery installation, we handle safe delivery and professional installation, ensuring your furniture fits seamlessly into your space. 4. Versatile styles for every space. Whether your taste leans toward modern minimalist, clean lines, sleek finishes, and functional design, rustic charm, warm woods, natural textures, and hand-distressed details, industrial edge, metal accents, reclaimed materials, and bold silhouettes, classic elegance, timeless shapes, rich veneers, and intricate detailing. We bring your style to life, ensuring your furniture complements your existing decor or becomes the statement piece that defines your space. 5. Commercial residential solutions. Our expertise isn't limited to homes, we also specialize in custom furniture for businesses. Restaurants, cafes, banquettes, tables, and bar tops designed for durability and ambience. Hotels, resorts, bespoke bed frames, headboards, and lounge furniture that elevate guest experiences. Offices, co-working spaces, ergonomic chairs, collaborative work tables, and storage systems that boost productivity. Let's bring your vision to life. At Sunforest Enterprises Furniture Factory, we don't just build furniture, we build pieces that grow with you, tell your story, and transform spaces into something extraordinary. Ready to start your custom furniture journey? Contact Sunforest today for a free consultation, and let's create something beautiful together.